Welcome to STFULFILL. In this video, we will show you how to track your shipment in the STFULFILL system. After your order has been shipped, the tracking number will display in the orders page. You can click the tracking number to view the latest shipment tracking information and delivery status. First, log into your STFULFILL account. On the orders page, find the order you want to track. Please note that the tracking number will only appear after the order has been shipped. If the order is still being processed, the tracking number may not be available yet. Once the order has been shipped, you will see the tracking number display in the corresponding tracking number column. Next, move your mouse to the tracking number. Click the tracking number. A pop-up window will appear and display the shipment tracking details. In this window, you can view the latest logistic information, ship routes, carrier updates, and delivery status. The tracking details may include different shipment events such as order information received, parcel picked up, in transit, arrived at destination country, out of delivery or delivered. You can use this information to understand where the parcel is and whether the shipment is moving normally. If your customer asks for the tracking status, you can check it here and provide the latest update. If the tracking information has not updated for a short time, please do not worry immediately. Some logistic updates may take time to refresh, especially during weekends, holidays, custom clearance, or peak seasons. If the tracking has not updated for a long time, or if you notice any unusual delivery issue, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager for assistance. To summarize, tracking your shipment in STFULFILL is simple. Go to the orders page, find the ship order, locate the tracking number, and click it to view the latest shipment details. The tracking pop-up window will show current delivery status and the logistic updates. If you need help with shipment tracking or delivery issues, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager. Thank you for watching this STFULFILL system tutorial.